So, Samsung released a new video titled "A True AI Companion is Coming." Alright, let's watch, guys.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant, outdoor seating.
Oh, Italian restaurant.
Can you send that to Luca? Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
Okay, yeah, a true AI companion. Like, how hard is to find an Italian restaurant, guys? You click here and get tons of them. And this is just for starters, and it might not be that bad if it's a new feature and we get it, but not if we get it as a subscription, which is likely to happen. And this was kind of teased already last year when the S25 Ultra was released. And according to this article I read here in The Verge, Samsung is rolling out a smartphone subscription. Samsung Electronics Vice Chair Hang Jong-hee has confirmed that the company's AI subscription club, which launched last December for some of Samsung's home appliances in South Korea, will soon roll out to both Galaxy phones. And yeah, becoming AI robot, who cares about this? Yeah, we will apply the subscription service to Galaxy smartphones starting next month. The AI subscription club isn't a requirement to access the Galaxy AI features on Samsung phones and other devices, which the company has previously said, and will remain free to the users at least until the end of 2025, with plans beyond that point unconfirmed. Yeah, what the heck is this AI subscription? Galaxy AI has arrived, and you can all see, guys, this is an article from last year, January. So every year the same story, you know, like, hey, you know, we're rolling out new AI, it's gonna be fancy, yeah, we might want to charge you for it. Don't worry, you're safe until next year or until this year. You know what, like, pay the premium price of almost 1,500 euro for the phone and then be happy. To make it even worse, yep, there are many leaks that are indicating Samsung is going to remove, not something physically, guys. The S Pen is still going to be there, but remove the Bluetooth connectivity of the S Pen, just rendering the S Pen to what, like 20% of its capabilities, because remember, you can use the S Pen as a remote shutter, and there is a goddamn button there. Oh yeah, I'm not a big S Pen user, but that's not the whole story. So honestly, I kind of feel that way. I don't really use the S Pen so much, but my kids love it, and sometimes, guys, I really used it, like I was on vacation and I had to do some videos. It was very convenient. So I'm even not using so much this remote functionality, but it's just like so Apple-ish. Like, hey, remove the headphone jack. Hey, you know what, like, remove the fingerprint scanner and just put Face ID. Hey, you know what, like, next time just remove the SIM card, just launch an eSIM. And they did it anyway. Like, what is next, guys? Like, remove the charging port. And honestly, I would have not even cared so much if the S25 Ultra would have been like radical in terms of anything, like design and then specs, and most and foremost, guys, the camera. But if we get the same old crappy 3x sensor, and if we get like subpar zoom performance in the days where Xiaomi is about to launch the 15 Ultra and Vivo will kill it with X200 Ultra, Oppo with the fine X8 Ultra, this is going to be some very tough times ahead, guys. Yeah, let's see. Let's remain optimistic and see what is going to happen. The Galaxy Unpacked event is anyway happening 22nd of January. So I think we're going to find out in like, what, 10 days, 9 days? Stay safe, VST over, and bye.